Should you go with GAF or CertainTeed Shingles for your roof?
Both are trusted brands and both are super popular here. But which one is right for you?
Let's dive right in. Let's start with GAF. They are the largest shingle manufacturer in North America. And you've probably heard of their Timberline HDZ line. Homeowners love them because they are durable, affordable, and they come in a ton of colors.
On Long Island, GAF shingles are perfect for the changes in weather. They've got a very strong nailing zone, which is perfect for when the nor'easters or hurricanes roll in.
Now, what about CertainTeed? CertainTeed Shingles are known as the premium brand. Their Landmark and Landmark Pro lines are thicker, heavier shingles. That extra weight makes them a little bit more resistant to wind and any potential storm damage.
And design-wise, they have great, rich colors and a dimensional look that will give your roof a high-end curb appeal. They do also tend to carry some of the longest warranties in the industry.
Now let's talk costs. On Long Island, GAF is usually the more budget-friendly option. Think somewhere in the range of $6.50 to $8.50 per square foot installed. Whereas CertainTeed shingles run a bit higher, closer to $7.50 to about $10.50 per square foot installed.
While both brands offer solid warranties, CertainTeeds are more comprehensive if you go with their higher end shingles, while GAF is known for their strong system warranties if you use their certified installers.
So which one should you choose? Well, if you want a reliable, good-looking roof at a more affordable price point, then GAF is probably the right option for you.
But if you're after maximum durability, a richer look, and don't mind paying a little bit more, CertainTeed may be a better fit.
At the end of the day, both are really great options. It really comes down to three things: your budget, style, and how long you plan on staying in your home.
So, if you're on the North Shore of Long Island and you're thinking about a roof replacement, give us a call. We'd be happy to walk you through some samples and help you pick what's best for your home.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your roofing questions in the comments below. We'll see you next time.